Every day, millions of people tap, insert, or swipe their credit cards without giving that tiny metallic square a second thought. It may look simple, but hidden beneath its surface is a miniature computer that performs incredibly complex tasks in just a fraction of a second. That tiny chip helps protect your money, verifies your identity, and makes modern electronic payments possible. It's easy to overlook something you use almost every day. Whether you're buying groceries, paying for gas, or shopping online, that tiny chip quietly performs billions of calculations every year to help protect your money. Despite its importance, most people have no idea what's actually inside it, or how something so small can be so incredibly secure. So today we'll uncover what's inside a credit card chip, what's really hiding inside that little piece of metal, and how does it keep your transactions secure. Let's find out, right here, on History of Simple Things. For decades, payment cards didn't have chips at all. Instead, they relied on magnetic stripes, the black strip on the back of the card. That stripe stored your card number and other account information in a simple magnetic format. It worked well enough, but there was one major problem. The information never changed. Anyone who managed to copy the stripe could create a counterfeit card that looked and functioned almost exactly like the original. Criminals developed devices called skimmers that secretly copied card data from unsuspecting users. As electronic payments became more common during the 1980s and 1990s, banks needed a much safer solution. That search eventually led to the tiny microchip now found on almost every credit and debit card. That small gold square isn't actually the chip itself. What you see is a set of metal contacts that allow the card to communicate with a payment terminal. Hidden underneath those contacts is an integrated circuit, commonly called an EMV chip. EMV stands for EuroPay, MasterCard, and Visa, the three organizations that originally developed the global standard. Unlike the old magnetic stripe, the EMV chip isn't just a storage device. It's a miniature computer capable of processing information, performing calculations, and protecting sensitive data. Every time you insert your card into a payment terminal, the chip becomes active and begins communicating almost instantly. Inside the chip is an incredibly tiny silicon wafer packed with microscopic electronic components. At its heart is a microprocessor, similar in principle to the processor inside your smartphone or computer, although much simpler and designed for security rather than speed. The chip also contains memory that stores encrypted information, including your account credentials, security certificates, and operating instructions. Tiny circuits connect these components together, allowing them to exchange data at remarkable speeds. Although the chip is only a few millimeters across, modern manufacturing techniques allow billions of microscopic transistors to fit onto an area smaller than your fingernail. One of the biggest misconceptions is that the chip simply stores your card number. In reality, it does much more than that. The chip runs its own operating system, follows strict security rules, and performs mathematical calculations whenever a payment is made. Think of it as a tiny computer with only one job: verifying that your card is genuine while keeping your financial information secure. Unlike the magnetic stripe, the chip can respond differently every time it's used. That ability makes it dramatically harder for criminals to duplicate or counterfeit. The moment you insert your card into a payment terminal, tiny metal pins inside the terminal touch the gold contacts on the card. Electricity flows into the chip, waking it up almost instantly. The terminal and the chip then begin exchanging digital messages. First, they identify each other and confirm that both support the same payment standards. Next, the terminal asks the chip for specific information needed to process the purchase. The entire conversation happens in just a few hundred milliseconds. so to us it feels nearly instantaneous. Here's where the chip becomes truly impressive. Instead of sending the exact same information every time, the chip generates a unique cryptographic code for each individual purchase. This code is created using secret security keys stored safely inside the chip. Because every transaction uses a different code, copying one transaction doesn't help criminals perform another. Even if someone intercepted all the information from a single purchase, they couldn't simply reuse it later. That's one of the biggest reasons chip cards dramatically reduced counterfeit card fraud around the world. Countries that adopted EMV technology saw a significant drop in counterfeit card fraud. Since every transaction produces unique authentication data, cloning a chip card became far more difficult than cloning a magnetic stripe. While the stripe remains on many cards for compatibility with older machines, the chip handles the secure part of modern transactions. Over time, many businesses have upgraded their payment systems to prioritize chip or contactless payments because they provide stronger protection for both consumers and merchants. Credit card technology continues to evolve. Many banks now allow customers to store digital versions of their cards in smartphones and smartwatches. Even then, the same principles remain. Instead of exposing your actual card number, these systems often use tokenization, replacing sensitive information with temporary digital tokens. Biometric authentication, including fingerprint and facial recognition, adds another layer of protection. The next time you look at your credit card, it's worth remembering that the small gold square isn't just decoration. Hidden beneath it is a highly specialized microcomputer built specifically to protect your money. In just a fraction of a second, it powers up, communicates with payment terminals, performs encrypted calculations, creates a unique security code, and helps verify that every purchase is legitimate. All of this happens so quickly that we rarely notice the remarkable engineering taking place. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.